Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am at Sofia Munir's house in Peachtree City, Georgia. I am on her back slope. We're going to be removing this damaged shingle here today. Those are the 3 tabs involved. And I will go ahead and put the phone down so you guys can follow along with me during the repair process. What shingle is it now? Oh, it's these 3 shingles. It's actually going to be these 3 shingles, guys. Let me go ahead and readjust the phone for you. All right. Sure. These 3. I don't know, it's holding this shingle in still. Oh, wow. Okay. As you can see, guys, this shingle is just crumbling apart. This is where I just tried to grab it and pull it lightly. Same thing with here. Looks like there's another shingle they cut to overlap. Because this is supposed to be, this is supposed to be the 3, 1, 2, 3 tabs, but it goes to 4. Is there a 4 tab? So 1, 2, 3, 4. I've never seen this before, but we'll go ahead and pull that out. Okay. Okay, let's see if it comes out now. Man, these shingles are just crumbling apart, guys. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know where this is caught. There are no more nails to pull, and when I pull the shingles, guys, it just breaks apart. I mean, this is my thumb trying to pull the shingle out, and then they all just snapped. So obviously you can tell that this shingle is not in a repairable state. I'll go ahead and take some photos for you guys. Go ahead and tarp it.